A lot of people think German Shepherds are these big, mean, scary, violent dogs. But just like any other breed of dog, German Shepherds need proper socialization and training from an early age. They're highly intelligent and learn what's expected of them very quickly. Big Mason wants you to follow him to get a mix of a whole range of tips about care, training, socialization, or just a bunch of funny videos. And if you have any specific questions for Big Mason, just send him a message and he'll try his best to answer it.